Assalamualaikum and greetings. My name is Siti Fatimah Dana binti Roslan. Today, I will be presenting key site information, the first group in site analysis. I will cover the topic on key, location, site plan, topography, site section, site zoning, sensory, facilities and utilities, vegetation and animals, ingress and egress. This is the table of contents of key site information. For key location and site plan, the site location is at Ladang Enam, Taman Pertanian, University Putra, Malaysia. So, this is the view towards the proposed site. The first one is the key plan. As we can see, Jalan Alumni is in UPM Serdang, Selangor. Moving to the location plan, the landmark here is UPM Mosque. By using Jalan Persiaran University 1, take the first exit at the roundabout to Jalan Alumni. On the left is the proposed site. For site plan, the scale is 1 to 250. The proposed site area is 2029 meters square or 0.5 acre. The red line is the boundary line and inside the boundary line is the setback line. For topography, this is the contour site plan not to scale with the red proposed site. The darker green is the dense vegetation and the grey is the existing road. There are 4 views in the proposed site. The topography of the site is the first is the sloping ground. The sloping ground can be a challenge to construct the building. The second is the flat surface area. The terrain is flatter and the highest point of the site. The third is the road leading to the site is steep and narrow but flatter at the end of the road near the gate. For site section, this is a site cross section. The distance from the main road to the end of the proposed site is 443 meters. For section XX, we can see that the site is quite sloping to the north. We can see that the site is quite sloping to the east. For site zoning, the green is the greenery zone, purple, educational zone, blue, water area, pink, residential zone, and orange is cemetery area. For sensory, there are views into site and view from site. In the view analysis, positive view is the view of the city and the negative view is the view of the big trees and bushes. In the sound analysis, the main road at Jalan Persiaran University 1 is the busiest road and having noise from the car and bus. The farm, the noise of the tractor use can be disturbing. In odor analysis, there is no unpleasant scent from the drain. For facilities and utilities, there are power supply box, water pump suction, street light, drainage, main pipe, power supply station, water plant for the utilities. The nearby facilities are UPM Mosque, Serumpun College, Academic Complex A, Chancellor College, Malay Heritage Museum, Faculty of Computer Science, Palapis Marching Field, Faculty of Modern Language. For drainage, the type of drain at the site is open line. From the site visit, we analyze that the drain are lack of cover and blocked with dried leaf. So, this is the water flow at the site. The water movement is from higher to lower ground. Sloping geography promotes water movement from higher to lower ground. The surface water instantly flow into the primary existing drainage system all the way to the public road drainage system. So the solution is adequate drainage system for the land, water discharge through the existing open line drainage system. For vegetation, existing trees are Mexican fan palm, Pomethea pinnata, Durio zivetinus, which is durian tree, sweet soap tree, Fraxinus americana, Roystonea regia. So the new vegetation proposal is Roystonea regia. For vegetation site synthesis, the messy trees causes the site to be uncomfortable. The solution is to clear the cluttered bushes to prevent the wildlife. For the existing animals, the monkey group and wild boar sometimes appears from the jungle. For ingress and egress in the site, there are three suggestions for the ingress, egress, and car park. The first suggestion is the shorter path at the lower end. Two-way, a ramp should be built due to the height difference. For a second suggestion, is not obstructing the view from the north. One-way, a ramp should be built due to the height difference. And the third suggestion is the site is flat. One-way, ramp is not required, the trees can be keeping. There is a clearance distance between the surrounding trees and the site, so all existing trees can be maintained. For suggestion, the parking space dimension of 4 times 6 meter vehicle are taken into consideration. Pathway for person on foot. Green grass on concrete cell, permeable, paver system gravel, brick. So the strength is the site at the top is not sloped. The weakness, sloping is in a certain location. Opportunity, introducing permeable paver system. Threat, the main road is the little narrow and risky. The last one is the parking layout. This is the DBKL guideline for car parking and internet circulation. There are one-way parking and two-way parking. The walk path 600 meter must be provided, with suggestion for ingress and egress is 3 meter each. Minimum stall width 2400 mm. Minimum stall width 4800 mm. Minimum stall length for lateral parking 6 meter. That's all.